This is the Galaxy Fold. I've been hearing so much of this first ever foldable phone. Let's unbox this. I used to have like 2 phones to do like multiple things at once, but now I only need this phone. I get to do my emails and refer to my messages with multi-active window. When I'm on the go, this comes really handy. I can just fold it and it fits the size of my palm. It has 6 cameras. Oh my god, a phone that has 6 cameras, and it really helps in taking photos. So I work from my phone a lot because I'm constantly traveling everywhere. So this is my mobile office.